So guys, see the dirt. Yeah, the dirt is dirting. That's what we have. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Mrs. Sumba, and in case you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So guys, today we are going to do a quick video of how to do a proper facial scrub, and I will do it with the help of my hubby. So yeah, first of all, I'm supposed to put my face damp. I've already done that already. So we'll just get to it so that you can see how we do a scrub. Yeah, so we'll be using this scrub. This is not a paid ad, but this is the scrub I'm using. It is very gentle. It's not that rough on the skin. That's why I really prefer it, but it is the first time I'm using it, so I just love the feedback. I just love the outcome of it. So we'll just get to it. Please enjoy the video and stay tuned. Bye bye for now. So I usually do my facial scrub once in 2 weeks. I think this is the third time I'm doing my scrub, but I'm doing it with the help of my husband because he does it so well. When I do it alone, it doesn't come out like that better. So I always prefer him doing it for me because he does it best, and I also do it for him. It is better if you have a help of if someone is doing it for you. So guys, I was so comfortable at this point. I was feeling so nice, and yeah. Actually, when you're also doing this scrub, you should make sure that the scrub doesn't go on your eyes, like on your sclera. It shouldn't go on your eyes because there's a way it's really hurting your eyes. There's a time it entered my eyes and I didn't like it. So I don't think if it's preferable for someone to let it go into the eyes or into the mouth or for consumption. Yeah, so I try my best not to do that, and I usually advise people not to do so as well. Yeah, just do it on your face. Make sure your mouth is closed and also your eyes are closed. Yeah. So we're done with the first layer, the first scrub. So we are doing it for the second time. Yeah, so I was told that I'm supposed to be doing it for the second time, like you scrub for the first time and then you scrub for the second time. Yeah, so that's what you're going to do right now. He's going to do it another time, like scrub, full scrub, like the way we have done it for the first time, and now he'll do it for the second time. Yeah, just like that. So guys, see the dirt. Yeah, the dirt is dirtying. That's what we have. So I'm actually going to wash my face with warm water, and then I wipe it with just I just dump it. Inaitwa kudump, babe, ama inaitwa aje? Yeah, I just dump it with a face towel. Yeah, because I know you're not supposed to be rough on your face, but guys, when you're doing your facial, make sure that everything you do to your face you do on your neck, okay, so that you don't have different colors in your body, or you don't have particles on your neck and your face is smooth. So guys, I hope you saw that well. Let me go wash your face and then get back to you right now. So guys, I'm already done with washing my face, and I've just dabbed it. Okay, you don't be rough on your face, by the way. After scrubbing your face, you just be gentle on it. And guys, say I'm just feeling like my face is just like for a small baby. So after the scrub, you go on with your whatever facial routine that you're using. And if you guys want a facial routine, let me know in the comment section so that we can do it for you guys. But without any further ado, I would like to stop that video there. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. And for those people who are always supporting my channel, and those who are also new here, thank you so much. Be blessed. We don't take it for granted. Bye bye.